Hey guys, my name is Omer and you're watching Omer's workshop. Today I'm gonna show you a incubator which is capacity is 150x and its size is 2 feet from front to the end. It is 24 inches. The height is 17 inches and the width is 19.5 inches. So that's how the tray inside is fixed very perfectly. So I have used these circuits for temperature and humidity controller XTC STC3028, and this second controller is timer, which is XYJ01, which is for the egg turner, and this is the humidifier 220 voltage 220 voltage humidifier, which works very fine. Let's open it up, but before I am going to show you this LED. If you want to see from the inside and you want to see, you can press this button and let it go. It is already dark in here, otherwise heater will be working. So inside we have this fan into the center, which is taking the air in from this side and throwing the air on this heater. Both those of heater are 100 wattage. This heater is getting pulled up and this heater is getting air onto the heater. It is circulating all over the place. This is the sensor, temperature and humidity, and this is the LED. So that's the basic wiring. After that we have the wiring for timer, which is female plug. So it is easy to take out the tray from here and take it out easily. You just have to take out this plug and the whole tray will come out. This is the hatching tray. If you want to big capacity, you can take this tray, second tray, same like this, and place it up here. It is also have this female plug option over here, and you can make this capacity more if you place two of these trays and one hatching tray downside. Because we are using this humidifier, so we don't have to place the water on this side, so we also have the more capacity for the eggs. You can place any cloth over here and place the eggs on that. If you see, there is a very big gap over here. It's about 4 inches gap on the back side. So that's how all the temperature and humidity is equal on the whole incubator. So you will not find any kind of temperature difference on second tray or third system. And the humidity is being made over here. From here the humidifying is happening, and it's going here into the incubator. It's making very good humidity. And you can also adjust the humidity by yourself by making it low or the high, because sometimes there is a very low humidity areas, so you can place it is onto the highest and to the lowest, because if you are already getting too much humidity, you have to place it on that. And if you don't want it to work, you just simply have to close it like that. Open it up. So the LED is working, lighting off inside is working. You can change the light by yourself, but it doesn't contribute any difference because it is just a decoration light. After that, if you want to place that humidifier inside of the incubator, you can take out this female plug and place it back in, and you will get USB humidifier down here, or 24 volt humidifier on this area, or maybe onto the back side. So we'll have this capacity still a very big large area for the hatching system. Also, I've set the timer on 5 seconds on and 5 seconds off, so we can check if it is working or not. So it is working, and all the wiring over here is simple. You can make it by yourself. You can search XYJ01 timer, Omer's workshop, STC 3028 Omer's workshop, and you can see the wiring and the setting of both of the circuits. So you can see it is kind of difficult to set the temperature and humidity, so be sure that you are using for one for the temperature and 2 for the humidity. See, it is perfectly 38 and it's perfectly 65 we want. And if you want to see from the outside LED, you can place it and check if it is X system. So also the inlet and outlet is, if you want to make your inlet or outlet, you can see I make some holes on the back side, but I already have some inlet over here. You can see there is a small gap onto the hinges and also from the door, so the fresh air will go inside from here and it will come out from here. So we have made a very good ventilation for this incubator. But if you are managed to close this hole, this gap line, you have to make the holes onto the back side of the top and the bottom, pencil size holes, so it will be enough for that. So if you like this video, if you want to make incubators like this one, actress or brooder cages, you can search Omer's workshop. You can see all the tutorials about them. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.